All right, I got these deals, these pictures here from Tool Boss. So I'll put a link for his video in the description. Um, this is the new Q2 Milwaukee promotion coming out. It's not in my store yet, but you buy the starter kit. This is the first one. The starter kit right here with a 5, a 2, and a charger for $199. You get a free tool. They got the fuel hammer drill, the surge, the brushed multi-tool, not a very great multi-tool, the brushed palm sander, and that is the Gen 2 Floodlight. That's not a bad deal right there. Um, I believe that's like 170 in stores or something. I'm not exactly sure, but that it's 4,000 lumens, and that is an awesome light right there. You can power it with your 5. Your 2 ain't gonna last very long with it, but you'll have 2 batteries to swap back and forth. I may get that myself since I obviously need new tools. I've been buying some, but yeah, I might have to jump on this. Now the next uh offering is a little better than this one. This is still a good offering here. They got a couple good tools on this one. The hammer drill, that light, and even the surge. Now, I wouldn't, like Tool Boss said, I wouldn't necessarily consider that an impact driver. It's more of a driver. Now here you got, for $299, two 6.0 high output batteries and a charger with a free tool. You got a pretty good selection here. Now, they could have added some bigger tools with these big batteries, but it is what it is. A good opportunity to get some good big batteries. They got the one-handed recip fuel. They got the fuel hammer drill. They got the surge, and they got the compact impact wrench up there. That is an awesome little impact wrench right there. That sucker is powerful for how small it is. They got the fuel angle grinder. I'm not sure exactly which one that is. They got the circ saw. I think that's the brushed one. It may be brushless, but it's definitely not the fuel version. Of course, the palm sander and the multi-tool again. Don't know why they're in there, but they are. Now they got the pack out vacuum, brand new. That is a $199 vacuum right there. That is a steal. That, I guarantee these vacuums are going to sell out with this deal here. That and the tower light more than likely. They have a 8.0 high output battery down there also, if you just want to stack up on some batteries. And then they got the Gen 1 M18 rocket light. 3,000 lumen light. It used to be $229. I believe it's like $189 in most stores now. Excuse me. Since they came out with the Gen 2. But either that or the vacuum, even the floodlight, are the best deals in my opinion with this. The one-handed recip is good, but not with these big batteries. So get out to your local Home Depot and check if they have these deals.